Excuse me? Excuse me?
The great social worker, Mr. Raghuveer Jadhav. Are you done with your charity? Come on. I've already booked emergency train ticket.
Hey, when will you do something
I
good?
said so. We must leave quickly. It's her birthday.
Yeah, so that's sorted. Let's go.
Hey, listen up. I don't understand. Do you get hearings at the hospital with medicines?
Hey, what are you saying? Are you drunk right
That
now?
affects your mind, not your eyes. Hold on.
What is it?
What is this?
कभी रात से बातें करे कभी
Hey, it is her earring.
नींद से जुदा होने लगे ऐसे ख्वाब बुनने लगे कितने जमाने बाद
My
आज
earring?
फिर से दरिया को साहिल मिला सुनी अखियों में ख्वाबों ने फिर से दिन दोपहरी पहरा दिया भिड़ने लगे ना दो इश्क के मारे भिड़ने लगे ना दो इश्क के मारे भिड़ने लगे ना दो इश्क के मारे भिड़ने लगे ना दो इश्क के मारे
Oh my god! Hey, Aslam, she's here. Hey, she's here, Aslam. Oh, Goddess Amba, you have answered my prayers.
Who is here?
Hey, the girl from the wedding. My golden girl. I must meet her once before I leave Gujarat.
Look, look, look. It's the cops. You will get us killed. You will go to meet Parekh.
Hey, but the
You
girl?
will more like her if you live.
No, Aslam. She's not the one to be forgotten. She is completely different. I get a strange feeling when I look at
Really?
her. I feel as though something is exploding inside me. Hey, Aslam, is that love?
I'd call it acidity. Drink some cold milk and the acidity goes for a
Hey,
toss.
Aslam, don't act
Try
too
to
smart.
understand me now. The cops are here. You invited Parekh's daughter. This is getting dangerous. Bro, listen. Do you want the girl you like to see you in handcuffs? It'll make a bad impression on her. It's your mom's birthday too. How will she feel if she sees you in prison? Bro, I understand what you feel, but you can love only when you are free. Huh? What are you thinking about? Trust me, bro, if she is meant for you, she will come to you. Let's go away from here right away. Come on.
Hello, green shirt. Hello, green shirt.
They both were disguised as band members. They kidnapped me.
Hold on. Tell us the details what happened and how did it happen? Be specific.
When I went outside, the house while talking on the phone. They made me smell something and then I fell unconscious. And then they were taking me in the rented Mercedes itself. Then they were talking to someone over the phone.
I gave you address of wrong person due to someone's mistake. He's Mahindra Parekh from Gujarat.
Hey, I swear this is just too much.
What are you saying?
Hey, look at man! Ah! I sent a picture of him to Dhanak at that time.
To me?
Yes.
Phone, please.
Sir, there's no point. My phone screen is damaged.
Give me the memory card. I will extract it from there.
There's no memory card? Oh no. I think it got left where my phone fell. Sir, the photo was in that.
Have you gone crazy? What if I had fallen?
Then I would have fallen down with you too. Because you know, Raghu, even death cannot take you away from me.
Hey, move. Drama queen, can't you find someone else to sprawl on?
I found you. Isn't that enough? Okay, Raghu, tell me something. The girl who work at the airport, who wear makeup and serve us food, what do you call them? Air hostess. Do you think air hostesses are more beautiful than me?
Why? Do you want to be like them now?
Oh, please. I was getting jealous. That's why I asked. I swear to you, I was missing you a lot. Okay, listen. Did you read my chat status? I updated our photograph with a caption that read missing you. You arrived after seeing it, right? Tell me.
I arrived early for Mai's birthday and not for you. Don't get too excited.
Raghu, my moves is like a hit of hot pepper. You can't escape either one. Then how can you be spared? Wow, that's so beautiful.
Hey,
Are they gold? Did you get these for me? Well, I know. I'm the only one whom you love. I'm absolutely sure. You always enact this drama. Come on, give me the other one.
I don't have the other one.
Oh, so you only stole one earring. Where is the other one?
The other one is with her.
With whom?
There's someone. A girl from Gujarat. Son Papdi.
Do you want to eat some? Wait, I'll get it. Hey, Mai, listen. Raghu wants to eat some sweets. Sir, Dad has signed it.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Sir, please make sure that the one who did this to my dad gets caught.
Sure.
My golden girl.
It was not a heart attack. Actually, it was angina pain due to blockage. It is still critical.
Doctor, will he be fine?
Absolutely, he will. But it will take time. You must remember that his treatment now cannot be done in this hospital. You have to shift him to Mumbai in this critical situation.
To Mumbai?
Here you are. This is Mr. Parikh's medical file. It is updated with all the treatments done so far. I have written a note for Dr. Tanna at Sanjeevni Hospital. They will cooperate with you.
Thank you so much, sir.
You are welcome.
Hello? Yes, Parag. What? Sir, it is my house. What are you all doing? What are you doing? It is our house.
Dhanak, we've lost everything. The bank officers say that they have sealed the house and tomorrow it will be auctioned.
How can they do this all of a sudden, sir?
We have 8 bank installments pending. They brought this to our notice many times before, but he didn't respond, so...
All of you wait. I'll talk to them.
Dhanak, it's quite useless now. They are just saying that either pay the money or leave the house.
We will pay the money, Parag. We couldn't pay because we were going through a tough situation. And we didn't intend to cheat the bank, right? We'll pay 100,000 now. We'll settle the balance later.
Dhanak, how will you arrange for 1 lakh rupees?
Dad had made an FD for the IPS studies. We'll have to use that amount to save our house. I'll talk to them and be back. Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
My name is Dhanak Mahindra Parekh.
Yes, tell me.
I want to talk to you about something.
What is it?
Sir, I know that a huge amount needs to be settled and we can't settle in one payment. So we'll pay 100,000 now and please stop this auction.
It's too late, madam. Depositing 1 or 200,000 will not be helpful. The loan amount is 5 million. 3.8 million is outstanding. And I have the notice for full recovery.
Sir,
Even if I want, I cannot help you in any way. I'm sorry, madam.
Sir, please, there must be some solution or some provision. Please try.
I'm sorry, madam. Excuse
Sir,
me.
please. Yes.
My name is Ashish Garodia. I'm the manager of Tirupati Car Service. Parekh sir hired a Mercedes from our company. You have time till tomorrow. You have to pay 7 million.
7 million?
Or else you can read between the lines.
7 million?
Look, yesterday was the wedding. Today their house is auctioned off.
People should live as per their means or regret it later. Dhanak, now what next?
Everything will be fine. We will all figure everything out together. Just remember that no one should inform Dad about
But
this.
we'll have to tell him once he gets discharged.
We will take him to Mumbai. The doctor told me that Dad can be treated only in Mumbai now. We'll settle the amount of the loan and the car with the money that we'll get from the auction of the house.
Sister, we are suffering. This way is due to you.
We must go to Mumbai to Grandma today.
Raghu, I won't spare him today.
Hey, stop.
Hey!
What do you want, babe?
Your father, Mahendra Parekh, where is he? You know what a big confusion was happened because of that? Gujarat's Mahendra Parekh was in trouble due to the one in Mumbai. Tell me.
Babe, I don't know anything. I don't know about him.
Tell me or else I will shoot you here itself.
Don't kill me. I will tell you. I will tell you. The thing is that Mahendra Parekh came to know about your release 10 days back. He went underground.
You... Oh boy, the Gujarati girl is in Mumbai. What is she doing here? Hey man, you are very lucky for me. Come here. Fix your shirt and hair. Fix your look. I'll be right back.
Have you lost it? Hey!
I'm not going anywhere. I was just going to have tea.
पहली बार है जी, पहली बार है जी, इस कदर किसी की धुन सवार है जी, जिसकी आस में हुई सुबह से दोपहर, शाम को उसी का इंतजार है जी। होश है जरा 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 खुमार है जी, छेड़ के गया वो ऐसे दिल के तार है जी। पहली बार है जी, पहली बार है जी।
Oh my god, it's real and not a dream.
Have you gone crazy?
Hey, you get lost.
Hey!
She looked like an angel in a pink dress on the day of the wedding. Today she looks like a celestial dancer. Every color suits that girl.
धनक Hey, where is my pouch? It was kept on the berth. Where is it?
Dad?
Oh no. Who is this Dhanak?
She's my daughter.
Why are you worrying? Why are you stressed out? We are here. We'll manage everything. All right?
What is this? Of all people, he's her father. But what are they doing in Mumbai though? I'm sure they've come after me.
Hey, do you know what it means?
What?
You have deleted the call list. Are you happy? What about the contents of her phone?
That day I deleted the photos from her father's phone. But her phone was... I'm sure they found me with that photo, I'm sure. Oh, Goddess Amba, the story of my life is so strange. It ended before it could even start.